Hi guys, here is how futures trading work. You predict either a token is going to, rise or fall. So this is where you start from. This is my wallet on Binance. So we're using Binance as a case study. Okay, now let's check this. This is spot. So just go to your spot wallet. Okay, now this is USDT. I'm using the USDT type of futures. Now let's go to transfer. Then you now do your transfer. You're transferring from spot wallet to where? Not funding. So you have to change it, not funding wallet. Click it. Then you come to USD futures. Let me change it to USDT. Okay. So it says how much. I have $50 here. So I can actually say I want to move 5 or 10. Then I'll confirm my transfer. Okay. So okay, done. Now you now come to futures. So when you come to futures, you now come here to look for what you want to, trade. So there are a lot of pairs there. Now let's look at it from this angle. You must get an information from a reliable source or from those who understand technical analysis. So they must have given you their prediction. So let's say I want to work on a prediction now. Okay, this is Tomo. Okay, now let's work on Tomo. Tomo here, it says I should use leverage of 10 times. Leverage is just like your multiplication of profit or loss. So if you're making loss, you lose in 10 times. If you're making profit, you profit in 10 times. So you just have to decide. This determines how fast you get liquidated or how fast you make profit. So now they said I should enter. This is the entry price at this price 0.635. Then I should target that. Okay, 30%. So that this one is not specific. A good or a clear one should actually show us where to stop loss should in case our prediction fails. Now this is long. It says we should long it. Long it to what price should it stop? And you should take profit. So that's where we're going next. Let me calculate 30%. 30 divided by 100 times 0.635. 0.1905. So you now add it to that 0.635. You will now get 0.8255. So that means I want to target it that is going to pump to 0.82. That's 82 cents from 63 cents. So that is the target we want to meet now. But let's go. So I'm looking for Tomo, Tomo. All right. So you can see is at 0.65, and that is above our entry, predicted entry. So I can still risk it because maybe there is an alpha that is going to pump down to 82 cents. So let's do that. If you want to long means you believe something is going to grow, moan, pump, rise. But if you want to short, that it means sell, which means you believe that thing is going to dip. So when you believe something is going to pump and you choose buy, and the thing went the other way around by dipping, then you lose. So that is why we make use of TP and SL. TP means take profit, whilst SL means stop loss. Now you come to take profit. That is, once you get to 0.8255, you should take profit and close the trade. But should in case things went upside down and you think it was going to pump, that's why you are longing it or you are buying it, then the thing now went down, then set a stop loss that okay, when it gets to 0.55, cut me out. Else if it keeps going down, all your stakes, your money that you put in will vanish. So I'm going to stop loss at 0.55. It's even on the high side if I'm using leverage times 20. So we're instructed to use leverage times 10 so that we will not be in too much loss. Okay, this is 11. Let me set it to 10. This is 10 now, so I confirm. Okay, that's good. So now I'm going to show it will stop lot at 0.55 in case it dips so bad. But I am thinking it should go to 0.6 instead of, since it's already in 6.5. So if it dips to 0.6, it should cut me out. I don't want to lose too much. So, but if it keeps pumping, it should just pump down to this 0.82. It's a good deal. The journey is going to take to get to this place is a wide profit for me. If I put in $5, I can make 200, depending on the leverage though. So now, this is my take profit and this is my stop loss. Now, let's go. How much? At what price am I entering? I'm entering at this price. So I'll click on the price now because I want to buy into it immediately. So how much am I buying? I have $5 in my balance, so I can say I want to buy half, which is $2.5. And if you say $2.5, your leverage is times 10, so 2.5 times 10 will be 25, and that's why we're having this. But if I say I want to do max, the whole $5 times 10 will be 50. So see that I put it all, but I'm not too confident about the trade. Let me just enter once. If it perish, it perish. My stop loss is okay, 0.6. So if it dips, it will stop at this before I lose my money. But if it keep pumping, it will. I want it to stop. Okay, let me stop at 0.8. So that's how you make your good prediction. Then you buy. Good. Now I bought. I'll see my positions are activated now. So I'm losing $2 on the optimistic because I predicted it's going to pump. So I longed it and it was around 9.7 when I entered. Now the price is at 9.5. So that's why I'm having that loss. But if it can shoot up again, I'll recover. Or else I get a mail that I'm liquidated and that's a loss. But Tomo, I'm already making 7 cent profit. Now 6 cents. That's how it goes up and down. So that is how it works. And when you see you are not willing to wait until it gets to the point you have targeted to take profit. You don't want it to get to the and you have made enough profit. Just close your position. You click on close position. Then you click on maximum 100% and you confirm it. But I'm not doing that. So that is how it works. And you see changes in your balance. Come to margin, futures. I put in $10. I was already in loss of $2 plus on up. So that's why I'm having 7.7. So okay, I think up is rising back again. Or either the Tomo is bringing the profit. Okay, it's rising back from 2 now. It's now 1.8. So I'm recovering. Yeah, I'm in 12 cent profit, and that's how it works. Okay, so what you just need is get the entry price, then get your stop take profit, then get your stop loss. So if it is shorting, you are shorting, that means you're selling. Set your stop loss that okay, should in case the thing now pumped against my prediction, you should, once it gets to this stage, please close my position. So it's a calculated risk. That's how it works. It's about prediction. So you just have to trust your gut and put a little that you can lose and put a good leverage that will not liquidate you on time. You can see now that up is pumping back, I'm recovering. Assuming I use a very high leverage, it would have closed my trade and I would have lost all my funds. But if it pumps back, this red will turn to green.